Problem with 717 a Z-track mower. Won't start. Electrical issue. Replace sensors on arms and seat appears okay. Replaced ignition switch. Battery tests okay. Charge tests okay. Maybe relay. Which of the three? After replacement of sensors and ignition switch started and ran for 3 hours. Would not start again hot. Left overnight would not start cold.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. Do you have testlight or voltmeter to check for voltage? Do you have power to the starter solenoid switch wire when the key is turned to start? Can you jump the ignition terminal A the starter solenoid and make the engine spin? What is the voltage of the battery with key off and when key is turned to start? Should be 12.5 volts or more, not less than 8 volts. When key is turned to start. Full size image. #XXXXX relay is the starter. #XXXXX seat and #XXXXX OPC.
Thank you for your info so far. I need to obtain a voltmeter, then I will test and respond.
Okay, thanks for the reply.
Curtis. Located problem at this stage to starter relay. Having had this problem for close to 2 years, I am reluctant to say fixed. Neutral pin in relay was a blue discoloration which may have been caused some time ago as a result of an electrical spike. When chassis was welded by dealer. Only found this also today. Probably did not disconnect the battery at the time. Thanks for help. Jeffrey.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.